Cardano is going exactly to plan. Here's what happens next. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be looking at our previous Cardano's price prediction, and then, guys, I'll be sharing with you my setup to look to buy Cardano again. Cardano is one of the most popular coins, and people like to joke that Cardano has the best fundamentals in any cryptocurrency. So we'll be reviewing my setup. We'll be looking at some big news for Cardano. And at the end of the video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my trade setup and price predictions for Cardano. Guys, so let's just quickly review what Cardano's done. Since the news of Cardano's Gujan mainnet launch, Cardano has been in a massive bull run, and my main trade was above the 50 cent level. In the YouTube channels, guys, I show exactly when coins are breaking out, where I'm looking to buy and sell. In the Rockstar Trading group, I can post exactly when it's breaking out. This was a post when Cardano was breaking out of $1. It rallied about 50% since that breakout. I had my alert set and posted in the group. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading group, I'll leave the links below for you to check out. There's a special offer, and if Cardano and the other coins keep moving the way it's moving, could be an opportunity of a lifetime. So make sure whether you follow our strategy or have your own, make sure you have a strategy. So let's review Cardano, guys. So that was the main breakout trade. Then, guys, Cardano was just below this $1, and my plan was when Cardano gets back above, we look to buy a pullback. That's the pullback that we bought, and you can see the stop loss level. As long as it's above there, I'm bullish. So Cardano held above that level, as you can see, held above that red zone level and pushed higher and hit our first target. Since then, guys, the Coinbase news has caused Cardano to pump quite a lot, and that is a huge news. People underestimate the news for Coinbase. Coinbase is the biggest exchange out there, and it gives Cardano massive exposure. And I didn't buy the Coinbase breakout. Again, go watch the video, the recent video. This $1 trade breakout was in these two videos I posted before and after. Check that one out. And then the Coinbase pump, watch the more recent videos, and I said as long as Cardano is holding above $1, I'm bullish. And it was the $1 bounce play that we traded. So one of the trade strategies I use is when there's a $1 bounce, so you can look to trade that $1 bounce. Cardano, especially $1 bounce, was a really nice another 50% play, and I wasn't sure that Coinbase news would come up, but that's from a trading strategy. That's a really good strategy. So looking at Cardano now, guys, as long as Cardano is above $1, I am bullish on Cardano. Let's have a look at some news, guys, and I'll come back and talk about the Cardano trade setup that I'll be looking at, and also look at Cardano BTC. So news-wise, there's lots of news on just the price and breaking out. Again, I like to look at more fundamental news, and the main news that I can find is slightly older news, but lots of projects are moving from Ethereum to Cardano, and that is huge news because we want to care more about fundamental news, and not just about price going up. Again, I'm in it for the money, I'm not going to lie, and I use the news to make money and trade. But Cardano has the news, the team, the fundamental. Cardano has a lot of things going up. I'll make a long time frame bull market prediction for Cardano, especially from my experience in 2017 trading XRP. But ADA is probably the one of the best placed coins to pump hard in this bull market. Another positive news is global health platform asked the doctor to use Cardano for world's first utility healthcare token in Africa. As you guys know, guys, Charles Hoskinson has been expanding Cardano in the African continent, and that is really big news. There's going to be a lot of accelerated growth in Africa and other third world countries. If you think about banking, some of the third world countries went straight to mobile banking, and they didn't have that retail banking as much. So there's a lot of room for growth for these, and those countries need a blockchain a lot more. Some of the other big news is Cardano, like I said, is one of the most popular coins out there. Newbies coming into Cardano, coming into crypto, usually look to buy Cardano and these coins. If you look at just some of the social media, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, the volume of exposure that Cardano is seeing is huge. And finally, one of the most important thing for me is ADA. When people talk about huge predictions, I'll touch on the predictions at the end of the video, but when people talk about huge predictions, and I think those are realistic because of this 70% of ADA's total supply is staked. When that much is staked, guys, that can really help things move up quite a lot. So that's one of the things I really want to focus on a lot more. When we see Cardano's lots of supply being taken up, that means that reduces supply, and if the demand keep increasing and the supply so less because so much is being staked, the price can have astronomical rally. And Cardano at ADA would probably not, it would be overpriced, and that price won't probably, if it does get there, it won't stay there for that long because that's a very high price. But when that amount of Cardano is staked, that those crazy price predictions could be a reality in a parabolic bull run, when the logic goes out the window and it's just emotional driven. Then guys, Cardano Gujin, I'll do another video on Gujin, but this is update, this is going to be game changer for Cardano. Smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi, there's lots of positive news, and DeFi and NFTs has been the two biggest news for Cardano, and not news for Cardano, the biggest bull market thing. Back in the day we had ICOs, this bull market last year DeFi, and this year NFTs. We've seen people not even interested in cryptocurrency jumping into these stuff. So again, Cardano having exposure to that will definitely help. So that's the news update for Cardano, guys. Now let's talk about the trade setup, and I'll share with you my price prediction. The trade setup I'm looking for is, guys, for Cardano to start getting back above 140. If you think about Cardano, guys, the Coinbase news caused a pump, and that I want the volatility to end slightly, because once we see this volatility die out, if there's real buying coming in, because I don't want to just buying when everyone is buying for the news. If Cardano starts getting back above $1, I won't like it. I still think it's bullish as long as it's holding 75 cents. I shared that post. That post was a few months ago. But what I'm now looking for is buying to come in Cardano, start coming into here and break out. That will be a breakout trade similar to our trades back in here. So that's the setup that I'll be looking for. And above there, I'll look for a trade setup. Whether you use my pullback strategy, whether you have an indicator, please make sure you have a strategy. And if Cardano starts breaking out above there, guys, I'll look to buy more Cardano. So that would be the setup. And please make sure you have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, guys, and you're trading with emotions, you're not going to take advantage of this huge move that we're in. This is in a chance of an opportunity of a lifetime. We've not seen markets like this since back in 2017. So make sure whether you follow our strategy, but please make sure you have a strategy. When to enter, when to exit, and just have your knowledge about trading and investing. It's really important. So again, if you're interested, I'll leave the links below, but please make sure you have a strategy and stick to it. Don't just buy and sell due to emotions. So that's the trade setup for Cardano. For price predictions wise, I think Cardano heads towards the $2 level next. On this breakout, that's where I'll look to take profit. The way we trade in the Rockstar Trading Group, guys, I don't just buy here and sell at $10. That's not how I work. So again, if you guys remember, if you go watch the videos from last year, the DeFi drama, the huge trade that we took, again, my YouTube subscribers went up quite a lot when I shared that trade. That it was a huge breakout last year with the DeFi drama. It was from here, and I sold half as it was going up, and I brought back more Cardano here on a 2 cent, on 50 cent, and then look sell, and then I still own 5-10%, and I build my positions. I look to buy again on a breakout above I've shared the trade setup. I'll target there to take half and see how the price reacts. If it keeps continue going up, I'll move my stops up and continue to run Cardano. Like I said, Cardano fundamentally is a great project. The price is looking good. ADA BTC is not looking as great as a USD. I want ADA BTC to start trend changing above 260, and ADA USD to start breaking out above the trade setup that I shared above 140, 150 level, and I look to jump back in. So that's my thoughts on what I think will happen next, Cardano. Again, if you are interested, guys, make sure you watch the old videos. They're all documented on the YouTube channel. There's lots of smaller coins that are breaking out that we're trading in the Rockstar Trading Group, but Cardano and a couple of the bigger coins, I try to make more videos. I can't make a video as soon as it's breaking out. Like XRP, we took a trade in XRP yesterday that worked out in the group. I made a video a few hours after, but that's the setup. Again, draw these lines, have an alert set, however you trade it. If that happens, guys, I look to buy more Cardano, and we'll try and pump it to above $2. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, make sure you smash the like button. And again, it doesn't cost you anything, guys. Lots of the social media don't share much crypto videos online, so make sure you hit the like button so we get the word of crypto out there. We need more crypto channels, whether you like mine or someone else's. Make sure you like and share, comment on the crypto videos, guys. That helps get exposure. I really hope that Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms don't suppress the interest in crypto, because crypto has been life changing for me, money wise and fundamentally. I think it's a really important what blockchain is doing to us with everything that's going on in the world. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. If you are interested, leave the links. I'll check out the Rockstar Trading Group. If not, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below your thoughts on Cardano. Do you like Cardano as a project? Do you think those price targets are realistic in the bull market, or if the breakout towards here? Comment below your short time frame and long time frame price predictions and your thoughts on the project in general. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.